Welcome to OMG Trading. I am glad you've joined us. This channel was not created by chance. It was built from years of experience, discipline, observation, and real exposure to the financial world. We are a team of 3 professionals united by one clear mission: growth. Not just financial growth, but personal growth, intellectual growth, and strategic growth. Growth in trading, growth in business, growth in mindset. If you are here, it means you are not satisfied with average. You are not looking for shortcuts, quick wins, or empty promises. You are looking for structure. You are looking for clarity. You are looking for transformation. And that is exactly what this channel is about. OMG Trading is a place where we approach the markets with professionalism, where we speak about business with realism, and where we develop the mindset required to operate in high-performance environments. My name is Ryan. For 17 years, I worked inside the banking and financial industry. 17 years of observing market cycles. 17 years of witnessing expansion phases and contraction phases. 17 years of understanding how institutions think, how capital flows, and how risk is managed at higher levels. I have seen markets during moments of panic. I have seen markets during moments of overconfidence. I have seen disciplined decision-making, and I have seen what happens when discipline disappears. Finance, for me, has never been theory. It has always been experience, and experience changes the way you look at risk. It changes the way you interpret volatility. It changes the way you manage capital. 5 years ago, I made a defining decision. I chose independence. I transitioned from institutional structure to personal responsibility. Becoming an independent trader was not just about markets. It was about ownership. Ownership of decisions. Ownership of outcomes. Ownership of risk. Today, I operate independently. I design my schedule. I manage my capital. I build my environment intentionally. Freedom, however, is not the absence of structure. True freedom is built on discipline, and this channel exists to document that journey, honestly, transparently, and professionally. OMG Trading is not an individual voice. We are a team of 3 individuals, each bringing different strengths, different perspectives, and different analytical approaches. We challenge each other. We question assumptions. We refine ideas. Our objective is not to impress, it is to educate, not to exaggerate, but to clarify. We believe that markets reward preparation. We believe that consistency beats intensity. And we believe that professionalism is a competitive advantage. No hype, no unrealistic promises, no shortcuts, only structured thinking, disciplined execution, and long-term perspective. Our approach begins with observation. We study price action, how markets move, how candles form, how structure develops over time. A bullish movement is not just a green candle, it represents imbalance, conviction, participation. A bearish movement is not just a red candle, it represents distribution, pressure, reaction. We analyze structure. We observe transitions. We study momentum shifts. We also observe areas of supply and demand, zones where price previously reacted, areas where liquidity accumulates, levels where imbalance may reappear. Understanding these areas allows us to interpret behavior, not predict blindly, but interpret logically. But analysis without risk control is meaningless. Every position begins with defined risk. Before potential reward is considered, capital protection is established. Professionals protect capital first. They define invalidation levels, they control exposure, they calculate risk-to-reward relationships. A portfolio grows sustainably not through emotional decisions, but through controlled execution repeated over time. The greatest challenge in trading is not technical. It is psychological. Fear during drawdowns, greed during winning streaks, impatience during consolidation phases. Emotional instability destroys structure. Psychological discipline preserves it. We speak openly about emotional control because performance is sustainable only when mindset is stable. Consistency is not built in moments of excitement. It is built in moments of restraint. Longevity is the real objective. This channel is more than education. It is documentation of a journey, from institutional experience to independent execution, from structure to freedom, from information to applied knowledge. If you are serious about building real skills, about understanding markets deeply, about strengthening your mindset, and about creating a professional approach to capital, then this is your place. Subscribe to OMG Trading. Grow with us, learn with us, build with us. Let's approach the markets intelligently. Let's operate with discipline. Let's trade smarter. Welcome to OMG Trading. Let's begin your journey.